Welcome to Riverstone Training. In this session, we'll embark on an exciting journey to explore different investment strategies. Let's discover various investment approaches that can help you make informed decisions and navigate the world of finance with confidence. 1. Long-term investing. Focus on buying and holding assets for an extended period, typically years or decades. Profit from compounding returns and withstand transient market turbulence. 2. Value investing. Seek undervalued assets that have strong fundamentals and long-term growth potential. Emphasize on the intrinsic value of the asset rather than short-term market trends. 3. Growth investing. Target companies with high growth potential, often in emerging industries or innovative sectors. Willing to pay a premium for companies expected to outperform the market. 4. Income investing. Prioritize assets that generate regular income, such as dividend-paying stocks or bonds. Focus on stable cash flow and steady returns for income needs. 5. Index fund investing. Invest in a diversified portfolio that mirrors a specific market index. Offers broad market exposure with lower fees compared to actively managed funds. 6. Diversification. Spread investments across various asset classes and sectors to reduce risk. Minimize exposure to individual asset fluctuations. Thank you for joining Riverstone Training today. Wishing you success in your investment endeavors. Happy investing!